Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I am going to show you about the learning resources of Power BI. So first of all, you have to go to the google.com and in the search bar you have to type Power BI. After that you are going to open this link, the Microsoft link, and then you are going to go into the resources tab and then you are going to select Power BI Learn. After that, you are going to scroll down and choose this option, Browse all Power BI courses. As you can see that there are around 126 courses that are available for Power BI. But you can select the roles as per your requirements. So let's say you are a business analyst and you are a data analyst looking forward to learn Power BI. So I'm going to choose business analyst and data analyst, and then it is going to show me all the relevant courses. You can also choose the level of the course. It can be a beginner level, it can be intermediate or advanced. So for example, you want to learn how to get started with Power BI. You're going to choose this course. You're going to open it in another tab. Now this course is for like 21 minutes and this is what this course is going to teach us. You can choose whatever course you want and whatever you want to learn. Let's say for example you want to learn how to make a dashboard. You're going to write dashboard as a keyword here in the search bar. And here you go. You have all the relevant courses for dashboards. So I'm going to open this course in another tab. This course has 11 units and it will teach you how to create dashboards in Power BI in 1 hour. Apart from that, you can also go to the Student Hub and you can select student certifications. And here are different certifications that will be required in future if you wish to grow more in this field. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys and I hope you will learn more with it. See you in the next video.